Hi everyone, welcome to Canva website tutorial. Here I am going to teach you on how to make a website using a Canva. So first, let's go to Google and search for Canva. Then sign in or create an account. If you don't have an account yet, sign up and it's free. Then click the create button on the left side and search for websites. I-click nyo lang po ito at mapupunta na po kayo sa template ng mga website. So, you can browse through of the available website template. So, dito yon makikita. Dito sa templates na ito. So, you can search anything you want. For example, portfolio, business, blog, etc. So, choose one that fits your purpose. Okay. So, here are the available templates na meron yung Canva. So, you can choose whatever you want. Okay? So, click it to start editing. Kung nakahanap na kayo, pwede nyo itong i-click at mag-start na kayo mag-edit. But since I already have an sample of a website, so ito yung gagamitin ko. So, ginamit ko yung product na gagawin pa lang namin sa product development, which is the Bamboo Tea. So, ito yung sample ng website na gagawin natin. So, you can also create your own website design kung anong gusto nyo if you want to sell products or services online or food blogging at iba pa. So, ito yung sample na ginawa ko gamit yung website. Okay, meron ditong home, about, benefits, ingredients, process, contact. So, marami pang pwedeng ilagay dito. You can customize your content, edit the template to match your needs. You can change text, replace images, adjust colors, and even add elements. So, dito, ginawa ko, nilagyan ko siya ng animation. So, you can choose here kung anong gusto nyong animation para may effect yung mga words. Ganyan, just click. So, dito, pwede din yung palitan yung mga pictures or you can download videos on YouTube. Kung ano pang gusto nyo dito, naglagay ako ng mga pictures para mas appealing yung website na gagawin natin. So, you can change the font style or the font size and the font colors kung anong nababagay sa template na ginamit nyo. So, dito, nilagyan ko din siya ng animation para mas maging lively yung mga words. Okay, so, yan, i-click nyo lang to. Just explore the Canva application. So, dito, nilagyan ko siya ng video. Download ko muna siya sa YouTube, then in-insert ko dito sa website na ginawa ko. Just like that. Okay, ikaw nang bahala kung anong gusto nyo at kung ano yung mga nababagay dito. So, here, I also inserted pictures from Google. Kung anong nababagay. Then, dito. Okay. So, as you can see, merong arrow na gumagalaw. So, ginawa ko dito, pumunta ko muna sa elements, then search for arrow or arrow GIF para lumabas yung gumagalaw na arrow. Dito, just browse and select. Parang ganyan. Maghanap lang kayo kung anong nababagay or anong gusto nyo. Yan. Insert. Then, dito naman sa part na to, kung maalala nyo, nung ginawa natin sa Code to Be workshop, pwede din natin dito i-apply. Na pag once i-click natin yung word, mapupunta tayo sa another page or another website or even YouTube or kung ano man pag once i-click natin yung word na to. So, paano ba to gawin? So, copy the text, then dito, click nyo lang yung 3 dots, then search for link. Okay, since the process of making bamboo tea yung ginamit ko o nilagay ko, pumunta muna ako dito sa YouTube, then sinearch ko lang yung tea made from bamboo leaves o bamboo tea making. So, copy nyo lang yung link sa YouTube, copy, then paste here Okay, thus done. Okay, na pag once i-click nyo yung word na to, okay, link added na. So, once i-click nyo na yung word na to, mapupunta kayo sa YouTube. So, ito yung sample, okay? O, ganito. So, i-click nyo lang to, then, charan, nandyan na kayo sa YouTube, okay? So, naiintindihan po ba? So, next, yan, nag-ads. Okay, so, skip. Okay, so ito yung video na in-insert natin dun sa word na yon. So, next, dito, nilagyan ko siya ng contact. Just in case gusto nyong ibenta tong product na to, you can add contact. So, dito, pwede din tayo maglagay ng link ng mga social media accounts nyo. Just like your Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Kapag once i-click nila yung word na to, magde-direct sila dun sa social media na nilagay nyo. Yung link ng social media nyo. Just like that. So, kung gusto nyong i-check, just click the preview dun sa itaas. Preview. To check kung tama na ba yung mga nilagay nyo. Okay. So, dito, makikita nyo may home about, chuchu, etc. So, paano ba to nilagay? Paano ko ba to nilagay? Okay, I will discuss now. So, i-close nyo lang. So, dito siya sa baba makikita. You can edit here kung anong gusto nyong ilagay. So, nilagay ko home, about, benefits, ingredients, and process, and the contact number. So, dito, pwede din kayo mag-add section kung gusto nyo pang mag-insert ng mga information. So, ilagay nyo lang dito. And you can now explore wherever you want. And just click the preview para tignan kung okay na ba yung ginawa nyong website. Just like that. Okay, you can now explore. You can make your own design, customize it to make it static. And if you want to learn more about this, you just have to search online or watch videos on YouTube. And now you can click this preview para makita nyo yung progress ng website na ginawa nyo before you publish it. Okay, so now you can publish your website. Okay, you can also customize the name of your website just like this. Okay, so nilagay ko medtele, then publish. Publish nyo lang yan. Okay. Then, click publish. And wait for your design. Then, view your website. Click this. Okay, so this is now the final sample of the website. Okay, so let's wait. So this is the home. Okay, so this is the about. So this is the animation, the pictures. Next is the benefits. Okay, so this is the video I inserted. Then the ingredients. Okay. Then the process. Once i-click nyo yung word na to, mapupunta kayo sa another website or another link or page. Okay. Parang ganyan. So, next is the contact. Contact information. This is very important, especially if you want to sell products using this website. Okay, aside from that, you can also share this website by i-copy nyo lang po yung website link, just like this. Copy link address, then send it to your social media platforms. Especially kung ito ay business, mas makakabuti kung ipopost natin yung website link sa inyong mga social media. Just like that. Okay, so that's it. So those are the basic steps on how to make a website using a Canva. I hope you learned something from me. That's it. Thank you everyone.